Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to blur your video background in Zoom meetings. So now you will need to open your Zoom desktop client and follow these steps. After that you will need to sign in with your Zoom account in the Zoom desktop client, and if you don't have an account you can just sign in with uh, Google or Apple or even Facebook accounts. And now you will be directed to the home page, and we will need just to join or to host a new meeting. So to host a new meeting, we will need only to click on this orange button here, and automatically a meeting will be hosted. So as you can see, my camera is, or my video is working. Make sure you don't have this sign of forbidden, or this one, and make sure that you have your camera that is working. So this is only a virtual background, and to have some blurry background you can just click on blur the background, and basically it will automatically be blurred. And you can have also other like options, like just in the virtual background you can just go here, like in choose virtual background and click on blur. Also you can have them like by default some options or settings by going to settings here and go to video, and you will choose your video effects and background effects here. You can have them like by default, so every time that you start a video you will have the background that you choose or anything. So basically uh, this is how you can blur your background on Zoom meetings. Thank you for watching and goodbye.